Sit down right there. You're not free to go. If you take off running, we're going to have an issue. Sit down. Stop.
Okay,
sit down. Sit down or I'm going to put you down.
Can I get my dog into the truck?
Here's what's going to happen.
I didn't do nothing.
Sit down.
Look, there's my purse.
Sit down, sir, or we're going to have an issue.
Okay, I just...
On your butt,
My dog is going to jump out the truck. Please.
Where's your
leave
truck?
My dog. It's right there, please.
Is it the red truck in front?
Yes, he's going to run away.
Sit down and we'll handle the dog.
Here's my purse.
Do you understand you're being detained right now?
Yes, I understand.
Do you know why? They think you stole stuff from Walmart.
I know. Okay, I didn't steal nothing. There's my purse.
That's fine. Sit down on your booty.
Please get my dog, please.
Oh, we'll take care of the dog.
Oh, please let me get my dog, please. You don't understand.
Sit down. Sit down.
You sit down. I'm out of breath. Please let me get my dog, please.
Don't resist, dude, because I will.
I'm not resisting, man.
Well, you guys aren't getting with me.
I got a broken collarbone, bud. Please don't twist my arm. Please don't twist my arm. I just have it in front. I got a broken collarbone.
Sit down.
I got a broken collarbone. Ah! Stop! Get my dog, please! Please!
Put your hand behind your back now!
Please don't let my dog get me having my dog, please!
Sir,
Please, hon, please don't let nothing have my dog.
you're going to have an issue with me.
I didn't resist. I just want to get my dog. I didn't do nothing to you.
Sit down now.
Nobody put my dog. I just want to get my dog.
Step it up. I have one take. Fighting with
Nobody's
you.
doing nothing
Rescue
to
is
me.
paid from the head.
I'm fine. Can I just
I told you to sit down numerous times.
Can I just
Did
get
I
my...
not? Roll over your stomach,
I'm
please.
sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm sorry. I should call my son to come get my dog.
We will take care of your dog.
Oh my God. Nobody was doing anything, man. Nobody was trying to resist. Nobody was running from you. Nobody was resisting. I'm trying to tell you, man.
I was nothing but nice to you people. Stand up.
I know, but...
Stand up.
Stand up.
Dude, my legs are burning. My legs are numb from you shocking the shit out of me.
Sit right here.
Get my dog. That's all you guys do.
Sit. Can you watch him? I gotta go check on this guy.
You busted my head. I'm bleeding like...
We got rescue coming.
He's a boxer. I wasn't resisting or nothing, man. Like, why do... Take my purse. I didn't take nothing.
What's up, pup?
Stand up.
My legs are down, dude. I can't stand up. Like, he just shocked the out of me. I'm laying on the ground and he's still just shocking the
It
out
goes
of me.
5
Like,
seconds. He can't stop it.
my
17, go ahead. You got any needles or anything on you?
No, man. I have no needle. I'm dizzy as okay? He just shocked the out of me.
What year were you born,
Ken?
Ken? Lean this way.
Can't piss out my stomach. I have a hernia.
You can roll to your side.
Yeah, I thought it was at first. It says DPMS on it. Can you make sure this dog didn't hop out?
What's your name?
Hi, Amy.
Amy what? You got anything on you shouldn't have?
I don't have nothing.
Do you have any pockets? 17, I just want to confirm we do have rescue coming.
Oh, man, my head's bleeding me. Like,
They're coming, Penn.
oh, man, look at the back of my head. I'm just on her to look at the back of my head.
It's
Can I see him?
Your dog's fine. Your dog's not leaving.
Hi.
What?
Will you look at the back of my head?
Oh,
Yeah, it's bleeding, dude.
It's bleeding.
We have rescue coming. You're going to go to the hospital and get stitches or staples or whatever they give you. How many times? You know what would have solved all that, gentlemen? Sir, ma'am?
Yeah.
What? What would have solved all that?
I just wanted to check my
If you sat down when I told you to sit down,
I
correct?
know. I was just worried about him.
What'd I tell you? Didn't I tell you we'd have somebody check on your dog?
I'm sorry.
And we cannot follow instructions, can we not?
I'm sorry.
I told you we were being detained and not free to go. I was even polite enough to put those handcuffs in front of you, was I not, sir? Because of your shoulder injury.
Nobody was...
Sir, you started walking away, then you came up on me hot because I tried to put her in handcuffs because she started walking away.
All I was doing was talking to you. I wasn't hot. I wasn't aggressive. All I said is...
You said, don't put her in
I said,
handcuffs.
please don't throw her on her stomach. She has honey.
I have
She kept pulling away.
I just wanted to check on him.
Did I not tell you before that? Did I not tell you?
He's the only only. You don't
Did I not
just know to be a
say,
kid.
I love dogs. I'm
I
gonna
know.
check on your dog.
I'm sorry.
But you guys wouldn't get with the program. If you guys would have got with the program, we'd have been sitting there. Somebody was coming to check on your dog.
I know. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I've
So
never done that.
can we go back to zero? Can we start over where we were here? Please and thank you. Holy guacamole. All right, we got somebody at Walmart.
I asked for somebody to go over there. I don't know if they got there yet or not.
All right, you're Amy, right?
Yeah.
Amy, what's your last name? Just so you know, somebody's with your dog right now.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
I've got his right here.
Can you take Mr. Hauk over to Walmart? I guess it started off as a retail theft and see exactly what they take and all that. And nobody's been over to Walmart yet.
Of course not.
My partner's going to search you. You're in custody right now for resisting. I'm not saying you're necessarily going to jail because they didn't have to spray you or tase you or anything like that.
check if I-
I might be able to, because of the dog thing, I might be able to release you because I don't really want to call animal control for your dog. Right?
Please, I've got kids. Right. You know, you're in school.
So here's the deal. I'm going to read you this. You probably heard this before. It's your Miranda warning. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You decide any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of those rights if I explain to you?
Yes.
Having those rights in mind, you wish to talk to me.
I mean, you want to ask me questions? Yeah. I mean,
So you saw me pull up. I told you guys to stop and sit down, right?
Yeah.
Then I told you you're not free to go. I told you to sit down. How many times do you think I told you to sit down?
so much was going on. I don't
You're right.
know if
So
I
much
heard
was
that. You
going
probably
on.
did.
So much was going on,
Yeah.
right? I had to deal with two of you guys, right? He's a fit young man, right? You started walking away. He never sat down all the way. He was like walking away, like in a rapid manner, right?
I was on the ground. I mean,
I was afraid that he was going to attack me while I'm trying to cuff you.
I get it.
Right.
I get it.
So I tased him, right?
Right.
I mean, I was trying to be nothing but nice. Was I mother
know.
effing you guys?
No.
Was I being
No.
nothing but cool?
No. I mean, you were. That's what I'm
But
saying.
God,
And
come on, Amy.
he's like my kid.
So what happened over at Walmart where these guys would think you would steal shit?
I don't know. I mean, I have a retail theft in the past.
Right, but I don't care about your past. I care about right now.
No.
You weren't stealing.
Nobody would get thrown on their stomach if everybody listened to commands. Your head wouldn't be hurting. Nobody would be in handcuffs.
Can you do that, officer?
Can you stop flopping?
I can't help it, dude. My head is throbbing so bad. Like, no, you gotta loosen that, bud. Like, can you see that? God damn. I got bony wrists, man. That shit. I know.
Is that truck yours?
Yeah, yep.
Can we search the truck?
Yeah, I don't care. I mean,
Okay.
yeah, he's got his insulin can in there.
Yeah, that's fine. What up?
Where did you get that?
Front. Ruckus out of the truck so we can go through it and see if there's any stolen stuff in here.
All right, you want to walk over to the vehicle?
Please.
On three. One, two, three.
Sorry, my hand got stuck in your own.
Rocky boy, hi! What are you doing, buddy? Hi, here's Mama. Here's Mama. Hi, honey. I know Mama's right here. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Mama's right here. It's okay, buddy. Oh, Nick, look at this.
None checkers?
Anything in the Senate Council?
I haven't got to it yet.
And would it take that one on the other
Yeah, I'll
side
just
of
take
it?
it.
I'm just trying to figure it out.
Should I take this? I mean, look at this thing. I thought it was real. Alright, so. Hey, Amy, thanks for being cool, okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Like I said, you know what has solved all this, right?
I know. I was just worried about him.
I'm coming in here. They're about probably where the front of Manny's car is. But be honest with me.
Yeah.
And that covers all Walmarts, right? Just be honest.
Oh,
Be
I don't
real.
know.
It
I thought it
covers
was
all
just
Walmarts.
the one in normal.
I'm taking this. This is one. There's
What about
another. There's a Jabra that we haven't found, and then Burberry.
What about the?
The needles have insulin and
Yeah, but the
test kits with them.
alcohol.
Sealed.
Right, but is it?
I don't know. I don't know that they would have been able to get it, but they haven't made mention of Crown yet. All right, I'm gonna follow them to St. Joe.
All right, I'll
Walking
walk
back from Walmart, where did you see him?
Crown Royal. We got a sealed box here. A box of Crown Royal. So here's the deal.
Okay.
I'm going to forward charges for resisting,
Okay.
okay? Because I'm going to be honest. I think if you would have stayed sat down,
I know.
then Kenny wouldn't have been tased because Kenny wouldn't have thought he could run away, and then Kenny wouldn't have seen me trying to put you on the ground,
Yeah.
right? And then ran at me, and then me think that I'm going to get overpowered or have to fight two people.
I guess in my eyes I was thinking, I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going to outrun you. I guess that's what I was thinking, you know what I mean? I just wanted to make sure he was okay. But,
Yeah, but I told
but
you.
you told me, I know. You know what
I
I
didn't
mean?
treat you not indecent.
I know you did.
I just gave you direct orders and I explained why.
I know.
Right?
I know. And that's the first I've ever done anything like that.
Okay.
Anything.
So I'm gonna go. Actually, Officer Brace, did you find anything, Benny? No. Okay.
I was going to say,
So Officer Monahan's gonna cut you loose. Okay.
was that your decision?
Yeah. Because
Oh my God.
well, I'm not gonna call animal control for Ruckus.
I know.
Ruckus didn't do nothing but be a good boy. That's the only good boy out of him and Kenny.
He is. Come here, buddy. Yes, your mama's right here.
All right. You found more stuff?
Well, I don't know. It was over there in the trash can.
Hey. Don't grab me.
But there's no.
No, I'm going to say no.
Okay. I'm gonna go inside and see how hard it is for me to get video.
Okay,
He's
stop
like,
it.
yeah, because he's like, don't throw it down because I have a hernia I had to get surgery on. It was stupid. I've never done that in my life, sir. I've
That's
never
okay.
had raised my voice, that anything to cop. And it's just all happening so fast. You know what I mean? I'm going to get out of here, though, 'cause I need to protect my daughter. I'm school.
Absolutely, absolutely. Okay.
Thank you so
All right.
much,
Yep, no
okay?
problem.
All right, come on.
I appreciate it. I know. Thank you.
Amy was charged with resisting arrest, while Kenneth was charged with felony retail theft due to a prior shoplifting conviction, aggravated assault, and resisting arrest. They are innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.